Hi guys, Android Impress Computers. I'd like to talk to you about the top-of-the-line gaming computer that we put together. We put in an i9-12900K chip right on into the Z690 motherboard. That's the top-of-the-line DDR5 board. We put in the 32 gigs of Corsair Vengeance 5800 megahertz RAM. We even put in your 1 terabyte Western Digital Black. Everything lightning fast, top of the line. 3080 Ti, brought to you by PNY. We even put in your cooler because those 1200 gen chips, those 12th gen chips run really hot, guys. Be careful with that. We put it in the NZXT H510 case. Nice RGB extensions in there if you wanted to play around with the lights. We got that taken care of as well. If you all need any of these built, or if you need to learn how to do that, we teach little ones all the way up to mid-range age group. We can teach you how to build these things from scratch. All you got to do is just come on by, purchase the parts, or bring in the parts that you purchase as well. We have graphics cards all the way up to gaming computers that are already built. We have monitors, power supplies oozing out our ears. All you got to do, 281-647-9977. Ask for anybody at the front desk. We'll help you out. Thank you so much, y'all.